This is Ruth Finance, and today I'm going to share with you the truth about becoming a millionaire in this digital age. There's a lot of noise out there, a lot of gurus promising quick riches, overnight success, and foolproof shortcuts. But here's the reality: building wealth isn't about a single course or a magic app or some secret investment no one else knows about. It's about mindset, habits, skills, and consistency. If you stay with me until the end of this video, I promise you'll live with a completely new perspective on what it truly takes to become a millionaire and how you can start shifting your life today, no matter where you're starting from. One is set clear and meaningful goals. Let's start with the foundation. Your goals. Saying, I want to get rich is not a goal, it's a wish. A real goal is clear, specific, and actionable. For example, I will spend 2 hours each day learning a high-income skill. Or I will launch my first digital product in 30 days. These are statements you can measure and act on. But here's something deeper. Your goals need to have purpose. Money alone isn't enough of a reason to keep going when things get tough. You have to ask yourself, why do I want wealth? What kind of life do I want to create with it? For me, wealth means freedom. That is time freedom, location freedom, the freedom to be present with my family, to travel, to live life on my own terms. Without purpose, chasing money alone can trap you in things that leave you emptier than before. So define your why before you choose the how. 2, learn a high-income skill. And here's the truth: in the digital age, your biggest asset isn't money, it's skills. You don't need to spend 4 years in college or go into massive debt to start building income. Right now, you can learn skills online that people will pay thousands of dollars for. Examples include content creation, video editing, copywriting, then digital marketing, then we have online sales and software development. Start by choosing one skill that excites you and dedicate at least 2 hours a day to learning and practicing it. And if you feel like you're too busy, be honest with yourself. Most of us spend hours every day scrolling social media or watching content that adds no value. Trade those hours for learning and you'll be shocked at how fast you grow. 3, prioritize and eliminate distractions. Millionaires don't have more hours in a day than you do. What makes the difference is how they use those hours. Look at your daily routine. Ask yourself, is this activity moving me closer to my goals? If the answer is no, just know it's a distraction, period. Start cutting back on excessive social media use, pointless scrolling, time with negative or unsupportive people, and then activities that waste your energy but don't bring you closer to your dream. Here's a powerful habit. Before bed, write down your 5 to 8 tasks for the next day, rank them and commit to finishing them. Treat your time like money. Spend it where you'll get the highest return. Then 4, make sacrifices that others won't. Success comes with sacrifice. You can't live the same lifestyle as everyone else and expect different results. That might mean saying no to nights out so you can work on your dream. Then avoiding substances like alcohol that drain your focus. Then waking up early or staying up late to learn and build. It doesn't mean you can never enjoy life, but it does mean you need to choose your hard. Getting a degree is hard. Building a business is hard. Working 9 to 5 is hard. Life isn't about avoiding hard. It's about choosing the hard that gives you the life that you want. 5, protect your energy and relationships. Not everyone is meant to go with you on your millionaire journey. Some people will cheer you on at the start, but the moment your growth outpaces their support might fade. Others will try to drag you back into comfort zones you're already outgrown. And here's the truth, you don't owe anyone an explanation for chasing your dreams. Cut out negative and supportive voices. Surround yourself with people who push you, inspire you, and believe in your vision. If you don't have these people yet, don't be afraid to walk alone. The right ones will come when you've built the right environment. Then 6, stay consistent when it's boring. Here's the part most people don't like to hear. Success isn't glamorous. A lot of it is doing the same small, sometimes boring tasks over and over again. Writing, editing, learning, building, and testing. When I first started, there were days I saw no results, 0. It was frustrating, discouraging, even embarrassing, but I pushed through. Because here's the secret, consistency compounds. What feels like small progress today will turn into massive results over time if you don't quit. Remember, it's never failure, it's always feedback. Then 7, use your current blessings as a stepping stone. Here's something powerful. Everything you already have is enough to begin. You woke up today, you're breathing, you have a phone, internet access, and the ability to learn. You already have the tools to start. Stop waiting for the perfect time or perfect opportunity. The perfect time is now. Gratitude for what you already have doesn't make you complacent. It gives you the clarity and energy to build more. When you stop seeing your life as lacking and instead see it as full of potential, you unlock the creativity and confidence to move forward. Then 8, embrace the digital age as your launch pad. We live in the most incredible time in human history. Never before has it been so possible to build wealth from your laptop or sell products globally, to reach an audience of millions, or to learn from world-class experts for free. The internet is not your distraction, it's your opportunity, but only if you use it intentionally. Follow creators who inspire and educate you. Fill your feed with knowledge and motivation, not negativity. Create more than you consume. Then 9, redefine success on your own terms. Society will tell you that success means a fancy car, a degree, a corporate job, or partying every weekend. But here's the truth, success is personal. For me, success is freedom. For you, it might be health, travel, time with family, or giving back to your community. Define success for yourself and let that guide your actions. Because the real wealth is a life you love. Money is just the tool to build it. So here's the truth about becoming a millionaire in the digital age. It's not about luck. It's not about shortcuts. And it's not about fitting into someone else's formula. It's about setting clear goals, building valuable skills, cutting distractions, making sacrifices, protecting your energy, staying consistent, and using what you already have. You are different for a reason. You are capable of more than you've been told, and you're worthy of the life you dream of. Remember, it's never too late to start, and you already have everything you need to begin. This is Ruth Finance, and I believe in you. Now go take action and build the future you deserve.